Probably not. Oh, where's your head wrap at?
I don't have one on yet.
Good morning, boss.
My hair's a hot mess. Good morning.
How you doing?
Good. How are you today?
Good. She's putting in a client's job that we're doing today. Or it wasn't scheduled, so.
No, well, we were supposed to do it yesterday, but we got rained out, and then, I don't know, we just didn't have her in there. I think because I just emailed her. We were talking through email, so.
Guess what, boss?
What?
It's telling me to look in the back seat.
Yeah, well, that always does that.
Guess what?
What?
What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is
a snow day.
It's not supposed to be, but it looks like it's going to be.
They're saying 1 to 3 inches. It'll be our first snowstorm of the year. And it'll be gone quick because the next day is supposed to be 48 and then back into the mid-50s. So
Lawn Commander and everybody are supposed to get it worse, right?
No. I think the east coast of North Carolina is supposed to get anywhere from 6 to 12 inches.
Really? They're supposed to get more?
All the way out on the east coast from Charlotte and over. They're not sure. So we'll see. It was a dusting to an inch, I think, yesterday. Then when I woke up this morning, it was 1 to 3. Probably tonight we'll have winter storm, probably watches, and it'll be like 4 to 8. But
wait, can we go back and look at earlier videos and say who called this?
Oh, this is just a fluke storm. It's going to be like above average for.
I understand that, but did I not say we were going to have?
Yeah, well, you one more. I mean, but normally every year if you go back 10 years, we would have definitely said we're getting a storm.
You were saying winter was over.
Well, that's because it's been so warm. I think out of the last 60 days, we've been above average, probably 50 of them. So
yeah,
but. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So
on this one, we're just blowing leaves really quick off the lawn. Then we're gonna put a pre-emergent down on it, and I'm gonna go around pick. Really nice. So I'm gonna go around and pull some of the weeds out because we're not spraying. I'm just gonna pull any noticeable ones out. But we're just blowing, and then we got to go up here
and fertilizer.
Oh yeah. I think I told him that. And then we're going up here and seeding one, aerating it, and putting a starter fertilizer down, and then probably the one across the street, pre-emergent. And then if we have any more stuff left, we'll do the last one on the corners, pre-emergent.
Oh, he's a cleanup too.
Who?
Before his pre-emergent. I got an okay for that.
Oh, Doug and them?
Yeah.
Man, I'm going to be here longer than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
I got to go cut down a tree.
Yeah, hopefully we can get that done today.
Get that done. Hopefully I can sharpen a chainsaw blade. Chain, because you seen the play set. I hit a couple bolts on that.
Yeah.
So I might need a new chain. So we'll see about that.
And you were going through like heavy plastic, right?
Yeah. So, okay, let's get done. So this is the one we're going to be blowing all the leaves and debris out of it. And then I'm going to put a pre-emergent down. It's coming in nice, but it's got moles like crazy. So we're going to have to see what she wants to do. So I haven't started this yet. Let's see. A lot of people have a problem I never push the primer on it, even when I run out of gas. But, so I just put the choke on. What was that?
I didn't have a hard time starting it yesterday.
Put the switch up, pull it out so it's a little snug, and then pull it again.
Yeah.
But.
All right, so I took a little bit of the mountain laurel too, because that looks like it's dying in spots again.
Okay.
And then the boxwood, like different parts.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see.
So, yeah.
Okay.
We'll ask them.
I'm not going to show me blowing this lawn.
Make sure you don't use these on anything.
Okay. I'm not going to. You gonna go blow that?
What? What?
You go blow all that, I'll start the fertilizer.
And you can start, that's what I was
That way when I'm done, you can come up there and blow off.
Yeah, there's not that much back here.
I think we might have to tell her we're going to have to go back on the mole scram. They seemed a lot worse without it now. Like there's a lot of moles. Okay. So we're tell her when we were putting that stuff down, there wasn't near as many. They were just on the edges.
Yeah, so either that or the worms. You want to do the scram?
Yeah, her yard's not. We won't do anything back here. So Rachel, there's not many back there. Rachel's gonna finish blowing all this off. This is the rock we did the other day, guys. Yeah, there's moles like crazy. When we stop doing the mole scram, they come back with a vengeance. But it's the only thing that really works other than putting poison worms down. And look how nice and green the grass is. And I can feel them all through here. So I'm gonna go fertilize this one on that side. While the boss finishes up that, then we gotta go up there. Okay, so I'm done all that. I did all the yard with the aerator. It's a mess because it's muddy, so this ain't gonna get cleaned up. We're supposed to get snow. It'll wash it away. We're gonna blow it off the best we can, but we just wanted to get this seeded again. And let's go do that. This is one of them tough ones in the front here. That's what I'd like the FW35 for, because going around this FW15 for push this yard instead of the walk behind it tends to kind of wear this grass out if we don't get a good stand. And Rachel's over there blowing that one off so I can fertilize. So we're done this one. We aerated this little part, threw a little more seed here, and the rest over there we did the whole yard with pre-emergent except for this section here where there's not as much grass growing. We want to get more grass growing in here. So we didn't do this part. I'll just spray that if any weeds come up, but there's hardly any in there. So I don't know, we might be going to take down the rest of the pear tree.
Can you see a difference between our lawn and that lawn?
You fertilized this one, didn't you? And aerated and seeded that one? And I did that one down there.
Yeah.
Whose is better? Yeah, it is funny. That lawn's green. This one isn't as green. This one isn't. This one isn't. You can see the lawns that we've been taking care of over the years. They turn green faster than the rest of the lawns. But let's go. Hey, boss. We're back out to work. How are you?
Good. I was actually just looking at those evergreens, and you're going to probably have to prune them up.
Which ones?
Before we mulch.
Yeah, maybe I'll hit them a little bit. Boss is already bossing me around. We're not even working on that job and she's bossing me around.
We got the deposit for that job already, that's why.
Yeah, we got the deposit for that job. We took a break at home. Rachel had to talk to a client and then she redid the quote, sent it over, and it was approved already. So that's a pretty decent sized job. Aerate, seed, fertilize, fertilize all the plants, put mushroom compost down, put down 2 yards of topsoil in the lawn, or organic topsoil in the lawn. What else do we got to do? 1 yard of mushroom compost, prune everything. Yeah. It's the big giant hill, if you guys have been watching, that another company did, that big landscape in the back of that yard. We're not doing the mulch. they're holding off on that for now.
Yeah, they're holding off on that for now, but we're at least going to be able to go in there and clean it up and put our touch on it.
Yeah,
So.
and I think that'll make a big difference, boss.
Yeah, I think so too. I think that they think that also.
So we'll show you what we're about to do. We're gonna try. We're not gonna get the whole rest of this tree down. We got to leave to get to the bank by 5 o'clock. But we had to come up here anyway for the post office. We had an empty trailer. We said, let's go knock some more of this tree down.
Yeah, so we're gonna see what we can do.
I know
it looks like the client's home, so
yeah. So
we'll see if they come out and talk to us.
Okay, let's go.
Right.
That's not. Hopefully this thing cuts good. I didn't have the right file to file the chain.
I know, we always lose the files.
Yeah, I know. So we're gonna take the rest of this tree, well, probably not the rest, just a bunch more down.
Yeah.
So let me set it up and we'll get this going. So we're making progress. I worked the boss so hard she took her shirt off. Right? Well, let me say her sweatshirt. She didn't take her shirt off.
I wish I would have had a long sleeve shirt on.
So we have this left here. And we have to fit all that in there. I'm pretty confident we'll get it. So let me get this up and set. So we got it all the way down here. Not bad, guys, not bad. We're gonna leave this here for an ornament. That way it reminds us of our first big tree we ever took down.
Yeah.
No, my saw's kind of dull. I didn't sharpen it. I was gonna try to take most of it down with a combi, but I had to pull the saw out, so it's kind of dull and I'm not gonna make it through all this. And we don't carry a bunch of extra chains because we're not a tree company. We're a lawn care company there, boss.
Yes.
Lawn care.
And landscaping.
And landscaping, not tree care.
Yeah.
Well, tree care, but not tree chopping.
But not bad.
Not bad for rookies, right?
Yeah, for rookies. Oh, look at that. Turkey vulture?
No, I think that's a hawk.
No, that's a turkey vulture. It has a red head.
A red-tailed hawk, then.
No, it had a red head. Not a red tail. Head.
I like messing with you. Okay, we're gonna pack up. The boss wants me to run her to the bank, so let me blow this off. Look, I had to get this. They tore all that down, and the view looks really nice here now.
Yeah.
They need to take out them cell towers.
They shouldn't have put that hotel there.
No, that ain't too bad. The boss doesn't like the hotel there.
I don't.
They blocked her view. Now she can't see her house from here.
Yeah. Not that I could really ever see my house, but do you want me to put them down?
A pair of binoculars you could from here. You live right over there. See that opening there? All the way out there. See that opening? That's where your house is.
Really?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, probably.
Don't quote me.
I thought it was over there more, but...
Oh, no.
You might be
I
right.
think it's over there more. Because you've seen the green hotel from the top. We do a house, right? See them little houses at the top of that mountain all the way over there?
Oh, yeah.
We do a house right about at the top there almost. And we can see that green hotel from there. But enough of scenery with the boss.
Yeah.
Good morning, boss.
Not morning.
Oh, sorry. I'm tired. Boss worked me too hard. Made me cut down a tree. Well, not all the way. Made me fertilize lawns, aerate. She made me do everything today, guys. Everything.
I can't even record anymore because of their video.
Wait, what?
Oh my God. When I said not morning, I like...
Are you laughing over there?
Ranger, you did a great job.
Yeah, it was a good video. So we're home now. We got everything almost done. We're going to go back and cut that pear tree down. And we're not going to go there just to cut the tree, the rest of the tree down. We have the neighbor's yard. We're going to spade beds in and get ready to prep that mulch because she gave us a deposit. But we're getting snow tomorrow. 2 to 4 inches now.
Yep.
So I told you, it keeps going up, boss.
Yeah. So I don't think that we're probably going to do anything tomorrow.
I think I might just start the pile on fire because the snow ain't going to put it out. And I don't know. You guys will see what we get done in the snow tomorrow.
Yeah.
Maybe playing with the kids.
Yeah.
So please like, comment, and subscribe, guys.
And be happy.
Or at least try.
Have a good night.
It's going to snow and the boss is wearing short sleeves.
I know. Well, I did get chilly. I got really hot when we were taking down the tree because I was like going back and forth to the trailer. And I wish I would have had a long sleeve shirt on, but I didn't. Nope. And then I just put the heat on in the truck. So
have a good...
was a little hot.
Yeah, I was hot, but...
Oh, and one last thing. Because we took that class, Carl and I both noticed that tree that we were taking down actually had borers in it.
Yeah, had bore marks, little round holes in that tree.
Yeah.
Over time, you can see it going all the way up the tree. Mm-hmm. And I always wondered what that was when I seen trees like that. And then now you know.
Yeah, so. It's not something that will kill the tree, but it just looks unsightly.
Yeah, it doesn't look sightly for a landscape.
Yeah.
But that tree's gone now.
But, okay, that's
Thanks
enough
for watching,
truck talk.
guys.
Yeah, have a good night.
See you tomorrow.